start, draw a border line of at least 2 inches your shoulder level. The measurement will be your shoulder length divided by 2. Mine is 16 inches divided to equals 8 inches. Next line will be your bust level, that is your bust measurement plus 2 inches easing allowance divided by 4. Mine is 34 inches plus 2 inches equals 36 inches divided by 4 equals 9 inches. Then just draw your shoulder measurement down to your bust level. Next will be your waist level. Measure your waist level from your shoulder down to your waist. Mine is 17 inches. Next will be your waist measurement. Mine is 31 inches plus 1 inch easing allowance equals 32 divided by 4 equals 8 inches. I took the measurement as my blouse length. That is, from my shoulder down to my hips, which is 24 inches. Next will be your hips measurement. Mine is 36 inches plus 2 inches easing allowance equals 38 divided by 4 equals 9.5 inches. Then, measure your dress length. Mine is below the knee, so I have 38 inches. Draw measurement equivalent to your hips, then add another 1 inch allowance below. Next, measure the neckline, that is, 6.5 inches by 3¼ inches. Then shape the neckline manually, or you can use French curve. Next, measure 1¼ in, downward from the shoulder, measuring only 1½ in, for shoulder strap. Then, measure half of the bust level, 8 inches divided by 2 equals 4. Using a French curve, shape the armhole to the center of the bust level. Then, just use a ruler to finish the sleeve. Use a hip curve to shape from the bust to the waistline. Do the same from the waist to the hip line. Add 3 inches. Then connect it. Note, if you like it to be a semi-balloon style, add more inches to the hemline and directly connect it to the waistline. Lastly, shape the hemline using hip curve. Done with the front pattern. To draft the back pattern, cut the front pattern. But don't cut the shoulder and the sleeve, cut the pattern in half. We can now start drafting the back pattern. Measure again 3¼ inches above the neckline. And 2 inches down the neckline. Then shape it using a French curve. Same with front pattern, measure 1½ inches for the shoulder strap. Measure again the bust level. This will be your guide for drafting the back. Then, measure 3 inches down from the neckline. Add 2.5 inches width for the shape of the back. Then grab your French curve to shape the back. From the armhole to the 2.5 inch measurement. Then just continue shaping it up to the shoulder strap. Done with the back pattern. Cut it afterwards. You can now finish cutting the front pattern. Oops, it's not yet done. Have to trim the front strap to align the seam of the front and the back dress. Deduct 1 inch from the front straps. Mark it with arrow pointing to the neckline, so as to avoid confusion when you attach it to the back straps. Then attach it to the back straps using Scotch tape. Now, it's aligned. This is the complete draft of the dress. You can screenshot it for guidance. I use cotton spandex, a stretchy, soft fabric. Lay the fabric evenly so that the cut will be even. Add a 1/2 inch seam allowance and 1 inch hem allowance. When done, start cutting the fabric. Done with the front part. Just repeat the process with the back pattern. Done and now ready to sew. Watch out for the next video, part 3 sewing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my channel for more sewing video tutorials for beginners.